The Ethernet industry needs fiber optic technology to go to the next level. We're seeing larger adoption of fiber optics at the higher speeds because of the high capabilities of fiber optics versus copper. Copper's always got its place, but fiber is what leads the way. Ethernet is driving a lot of innovation and investment in optics technology. Right now, 100 gig Ethernet is unifying around the QSFP form factor, and that's what the whole industry has gone towards, and it's driven the cost down and then adoption up. We're seeing 100 gig filter down into the lower levels of the network, from the core now to the edge switch and eventually to the server. There's a lot of 50 gig servers out there, and they're still looking to increase performance to 100 gig real soon. So what our goal is to finally get the 100 gig into the SFP form factor. We're expecting that after 2020. It's very advanced technologies, and there are some trials, some projects and labs, but what we need to do is have the whole industry united around one of these techniques to drive 100 gig to the server and throughout the network. So while the workhorse of Ethernet is QSFP on the switching side, what we're seeing is the ASICs increase the port count to 256. So you can't fit that many QSFPs in a one-use slot. What we're expecting then is a QSFP double density. That's 8 lanes within the same QSFP form factor. So now that 256 port switch supports 32 QSFP DDs. So that enables 200 gig and 400 gig technologies in each port. So that's one of the new exciting things in the Ethernet optical market. The Ethernet Alliance promotes Ethernet optics through different conferences like the Optical Fiber Conferences or the Technology Exploration Forum. We do public demonstrations of the latest Ethernet technologies from 400 gig down to 25 gig. The Ethernet Alliance does technical feasibility and interoperability testing to show that how the Ethernet technology does work from a multi-vendor environment, so the industry can move forward with multiple sources and high competition, which drives down cost and drives up adoption.